Okay, I'm getting ready to experiment with what they call electroculture, where you take copper wire and twist it around a metal stake and put it in your soil around your plants. And the copper wire is supposed to give the plants an energy boost. So I'm gonna try this out. I've seen several gardeners that have used it and compared it with areas that they had the copper and the ones that didn't have, and the ones that they did have, their plants were a lot bigger and grew taller and bigger. So I'm gonna try electroculture with copper wire and stake it up around in my garden bed area. Okay, I have the copper wire twisted around the metal stake. You gotta have like a little part sticking up, like an antenna sticking up, and then another part with the wire that's gonna be laying down in the dirt around by the plants. So let me get busy twisting a lot more of my stakes, and then I'm gonna go and set these around in different areas in my garden bed and see if it's gonna give them a boost of energy to grow faster and better. Electroculture. Well, I have all of my copper wire twisted around my metal stakes. Now I'm getting ready to go and place them around in my garden bed to help give them a boost of energy from the copper wire. Let's see if this electroculture test is gonna help the garden to grow more in abundance. Got all my little antennas sticking up and my wire that's gonna go down in the soil. Ready to go stake them up in the garden beds. Okay, I have 2 of my copper wires twisted around the metal stakes, and now I'm gonna test it out over here in my mustard green bed. I'm gonna stake them down, one in the top here and one in the bottom area, and see if it's gonna give my mustard greens a big boost of energy and help them to grow even bigger and beautiful. Okay, let me get here. Let's see how where I'm gonna put this at. Okay, I'm gonna stretch out that wire, copper wire, and put it in between the bed, the mustard greens there. I'm gonna stick it right here with this little antenna sticking up. I'll put this wire running around in the bed here with the mustard greens. Okay. Okay, copper wire. Do your job. And put this other one, I'll bring it down here on the other end. See if it's gonna do what I see a lot of other people in their garden beds, that the copper wire generates and give it a boost of energy. Where's the other little stake? I'm gonna put that down in the dirt, and a little antenna sticking up. Come on, do your job, copper wire. Okay, mustard greens. Let's see if you're gonna grow any bigger. Let's see. Let me put this copper wire here down in the soil. Okay. Okay. Okay, come on, let's see how much bigger and beautiful you're gonna get from this electroculture, from the copper wire in the garden bed with you.